Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walgreens video for you guys. These deals started today, which is Sunday, May 4th, and they are good up until Saturday, May 10th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click the red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so today is Sunday as I am recording this video. More than likely, the video will not go up today, so it's probably going to be up on Monday morning. So I have two separate transactions. In my first transaction, I grabbed the Tide Pods, the Tide Liquid, and the 2 Colgate products, and then everything else was in a second transaction. So with my first transaction, I was working with a digital spin booster, get $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35, and a paper spin booster, get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $15. So with the Colgate, I grabbed 2 Colgate, and these are the 6 ounce. They are priced at Walgreens this week at $5 each. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you're going to purchase 2 at $10. We do have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $10 minus that $5 digital coupon, that'll bring your total down to $5. And then you will receive back a $4 registry reward, making your total just $1 for both, or it makes each one 50 cents. Now, one thing I want to go ahead and mention is that all of my registry rewards did print for me, you guys, but the registry reward that I used from my first transaction, I went ahead and rolled it into my second transaction. I should have taken a picture when I received the registry rewards, but I didn't, I forgot, but they did print for me. So next up, I grabbed the Tide Pods, and this is the 57 count, and I grabbed the Tide Liquid, the 105 ounce. Both of those items are priced at Walgreens this week at $15.99. So for both of them, your total is going to be $31.98. There is a $4 digital coupon for the Tide Pods and also a $4 digital coupon for the Tide Liquid. With these two items, there is a P&G promotion going on this week at Walgreens where when you spend $30, you will receive back a $10 registry reward. So these two products totaled $31.98 minus the $8 in digital coupons, which brought my total down to $23.98. And then I did receive back my $10 P&G registry reward for spending $30. That brought my total down to just $13.98 for both, or it'll make each one $6.99. So that is everything that I got in my first transaction, you guys. So let me go ahead and show you all my receipts. So there's the Tide Pods at $15.99, the Tide Liquid at $15.99, both Colgate at $5 each, so $10 total. Right there where it says point coupon, that is for my paper spin booster, get $5 when you spend $15. I did use 2 registry rewards in this transaction. I used a $3 registry reward and a $4 registry reward. And then my $5 digital for the Colgate and both of my $4 digitals for the Tide Liquid and Pods. So as you guys can see, it brought my subtotal to $21.98. I did go ahead and pay that out of pocket. And then when you look down here where it says earned this visit, I did earn back $12.41. So you guys, my total out of pocket was $21.98, but of course I have to add back in the $7 in registry rewards that I used. So when I add back in that $7, it brings the total to $28.98 minus the $12.41 that I got in Walgreens cash rewards. That's $7 came from the digital spin booster, and then my $5 came from the paper spin booster, and then the 41 cents is the Walgreens everyday points. So that is where the $12.41 in Walgreens cash came from. So that brought my total down to $16.57, and then I got back a total of $14 in registry rewards. I got back my $4 registry reward for buying 2 Colgates and my $10 P&G registry reward for the P&G products. So $16.57 minus the $14 in registry rewards brought my grand total down to just $2.57 for all 4 items, which is a fantastic deal, you guys. And then another thing that I want to mention is that when you do the PNG promotion, at least every time that I've done it, and I've done it I think about 3 times today, you will get a coupon for a free 8x10, and you can just use that code on there to get yourself a free 8x10. That printed for me 3 times today. So that is an easy way to go ahead and get the paper spin booster of $5 when you spend 15. So just to let you guys know that. So that's everything in my first transaction. And now let me go ahead and move on to my second transaction. So in my second transaction, I got the Brownie paper towels, the 2 = 6, Angel soft tissue, 9 = 36, Gain dryer sheets, 2 of the Gain liquids, and the Gain fabric softener. So starting with the paper products, the Brownie paper towels and Angel soft tissue are priced at $6.99 this week at Walgreens. When you buy 2, you will receive back a $3 register reward. So you want to purchase 2 at $6.99, and that's going to bring your total to $13.98. There is a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Brownie paper towels and a 50-cent digital for the Angel soft tissue. So that's a total of $1.50 in digital coupons. So $13.98 minus the $1.50 in digital coupons, that's going to bring your total down to $12.48. And then you will receive back that $3 register reward, bringing your total down to $9.48 for both, or it makes each one $4.74. Again, you guys, register rewards did print off, but I used them in other transactions. And then lastly, with the Gain products, each of the Gain products is priced at $5.49. The deal is when you buy 4, you will receive back a $5 register reward. So all 4 products rings up to $21.96. There is a $1.05 digital for one of my Gain liquids, a $1 digital for the other Gain liquid, $1 digital for the Gain dryer sheets, and $1 digital for the Gain fabric softener. So that's a total of $4.05 in digital coupons. So $21.96 minus the $4.05 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to $17.91. I did receive back my $5 register reward for purchasing 4, bringing my total down to $12.91, or it makes each one just $3.28. And so here is my receipt. My Gain dryer sheets at $5.49, both Gain liquids at $5.49 each, Gain fabric softener for $5.49, Angel soft $6.99, Brownie paper towels $6.99. And so with the 2 register rewards that I received from my first transaction, the $10 and the $4, I used those in this transaction. And then the rest of my digitals for the Gain products. So it brought my subtotal to $16.39. I did use $10 in Walgreens cash, and I paid the rest out of pocket. And then I only earned 25 cents in Walgreens everyday points. So this is everything that I got in both transactions. I had a cost of $2.57 in my first transaction, and in my second transaction I just wanted to use those register rewards from my first transaction so that I can get a low out of pocket as possible in my second transaction. But all in all, I am so happy with these deals because everything that you see here are items that I put into my bundles. So all of this stuff will be sold. Everything will be sold except for my toothpaste, because I do tend to give my toothpaste away for free whenever someone purchases a household bundle from me. So yeah, you guys, that is going to be it for this video. Let me know down in the comment section if you received a digital spin booster. Let me know what you are getting this week from Walgreens. This is a really good week to be at Walgreens, and I am most definitely going back for more. So yeah, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me some comments down in the comment section because it really helps my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video.